Hello friends, today we are going to do experiment number 3, how to on LED with serial circuits. So we take few components. First one is LED, second one is resistor. There are lots of resistors, but we take only one, which is 1k ohm. Then we take two push button, two jumper wire and one battery. So first of all we took LED has two leg. First one is positive and second one is negative. Which leg is positive leg and which leg is short? It is negative leg. So first of all we put LED in breadboard. We insert LED on breadboard. Then we take resistor which is 1k ohm. So we insert resistor in breadboard and connect with negative leg of LED. We insert resistor very carefully. Then we take one push button which is called by switch also. Then we take second push button and we need to carefully insert with second leg of switch like this. Then we take two jumper wire. So first jumper wire is connecting with positive leg of LED. So this line will be positive leg, and second jumper wire is connecting with switch and we insert negative side. So connecting with negative leg. So we take battery. So you all know red one is positive leg and black one is negative leg. So we connect positive leg to positive leg and black one is negative, so we connecting with negative. So when we push switch, so there is no lighting, no glow light, but when we push both switch, light will be glow. See, so this is the experiment number 3, how to glow LED with serial circuit.